In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a glass style effect. First, open any image you like. Then duplicate your image. Rename your new duplicated image as glass image. This will make it easier for you to determine which layer or object to use. Next, while the glass image layer is selected, go to Filter, then Filter Gallery. Under Distort, choose Glass. Adjust the sliders depending on how much glass effect you will use. Then click OK. Next, create a round object or any object shape you like. Or you can even use text. Arrange the shape layer by placing it in the middle of glass image and background. Now right-click on the glass image and choose Create Clipping Mask. Then add a new, brightness, contrast, adjustment layer on top of the glass image. Adjust the slider for both brightness and contrast to around 60 or make it brighter than the background image. Next, select your shape layer or text layer if you use text. First, add a drop shadow layer style. Adjust the values of the slider settings depending on how heavy or soft you want to show the shadow. Next, enable the inner glow effect and set the blend mode to color dodge. Then adjust the slider settings, similar to what you did in the drop shadow effect. Once done, click OK. One more tip, you may also use Gaussian blur to the glass image if you don't want to use glass, or you can apply both glass and blur. That's it, a simple way of creating a glass style effect. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.